Hello everyone, Captain here. Welcome back to our channel, fellow photography enthusiasts. Today we're diving into DSLR photography to uncover an essential aspect: ISO settings. ISO is an important setting that determines a camera's sensitivity to light. It directly affects the brightness and noise of your images. So, how can you effectively use ISO settings in different situations to elevate your photography skills? In low-light situations, raising the ISO allows you to take well-exposed shots without flash. In contrast, in bright light, lowering the ISO helps maintain image quality and reduce noise. However, be careful using very high ISO settings, as this can introduce unwanted noise into your images. When photographing fast-moving subjects such as sports or wildlife, a higher ISO can be beneficial to ensure high speed. Tip number 1. Experiment with different ISO values in different lighting conditions to understand their effect on your photos. Tip number 2. For long exposure shots with low ISO, use a sturdy tripod to steady your camera. Tip number 3. To capture breathtaking nightscapes, use long exposures and low ISO to avoid overexposure. Congratulations! Now you know how to effectively use ISO settings in DSLR photography to master different shooting scenarios. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and visit our channel for more photography tips. Thank you for joining us today. Get out there, experiment with ISO settings, and get some great shots. Keep capturing these unforgettable moments, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.